Hello friends, my name is Vikash and I represent VibrantMinds Technologies. Today I am here to announce a recruitment drive for freshers. Please pay attention and apply for this drive as soon as possible. The name of the company is Nimap Infotech LLP. Company is hiring for freshers, those who are pass out from 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch. Okay, please remember that candidates from these batches can apply for this opportunity. As you know, this recruitment drive is organized by Vibrant Minds Technologies, and this is a completely zero cost recruitment drive. There are no charges to any candidates at any stage, anywhere involved. Okay. If anybody is asking for payment or any charges, please report it to Vibrant Minds team as soon as possible. Now, let's understand more about this drive. Before that, I would like to share that as a Vibrant Minds, we are into campus recruitment, online assessment, and IT training solutions. Okay. Now, let's understand about the company Nimap Infotech. Nimap Infotech is 15 years old, fastest growing software development company. Around 400 people are there and having offices in New York, Mumbai, and Pune. Okay. Now, this drive is for 21, 22, 23, and 24, as well as 25 batch. And the position is Node.js developer. Job location is Mumbai and job type is work from office. Please note that this is work from office. Though the recruitment process will be conducted in completely online mode, and you need to give them at least 2 years commitment. And please note that this process will be conducted in online mode, but job location is Mumbai. And let's understand about why you should join Nimap Infotech. First thing, you will get a chance to kickstart your career in IT industry. The next interesting thing is you will get guaranteed 50% yearly salary growth. Now this is given by company. Okay, so there is guaranteed 50% growth in your salary, opportunity to learn and work with cutting edge technologies. Strong technical experts will guide you. And another interesting thing, no bench period, immediate project assignment. Okay. And this is powered by Nimap talent transformation system, that is NTTS. Okay. Now let's understand more about this drive. Nimap Nimap's training program. This is not typical training program. Here you will be getting stipend of 10,000 rupees for 3 months initial, during 3 months initial training period. And this is a structured learning program. Okay. Then performance based variable stipend up to 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, monthly basis you will be getting this. Access to curated topics and tutorials for skill development, guidance from the best mentors for continuous learning. Here every 2 to 4 weeks there will be a performance improvement, and mentors rating define progress and learning speed. Okay. Now this is wonderful chance for freshers, those who are looking to start their career in IT industry. And this is a package structure, 3 years roadmap. Okay. Now initial first year you will be reaching from 2.4 to 3 lakhs, then second year from 3.6 to 4.2 lakhs, and third year from 4.8 to 5.4 lakhs per annum. Kindly note that if you want to opt for this, you need to give them 3 years commitment. Okay. And once you will complete the 3 years with Nimap Infotech, you will be getting 1 lakh rupees as a loyalty bonus. This is wonderful opportunity for all freshers, those who are looking to start their career in IT industry, and with a guaranteed salary hike. Okay. Now, if you are a fresher and looking to start your career in IT industry, then you can take a screenshot of this image and you can send a message to us, add me to job group on this number, that is 7972474849, and we will add you to our job groups where you will keep getting such kind of job opportunity updates continuously, and you can apply to all the opportunities posted in these groups. Please share this with your friends, relatives also, and you can take a screenshot to save this number of this video. Okay. Now let's move ahead. So as you know, pass out year required, that is 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 batch. Now education, you should be graduated or post graduated from BE, BTech, MCA, MCS, MSc, and only computer IT branches are allowed. Please note this. Pass out year already I have mentioned, and there is no percentage criteria. So this is wonderful chance to all computer IT related branches students to apply for this opportunity to start their career in IT industry. Now these are few recruitment drives organized by Vibrant Minds across India, and such kind of drives we have organized in good number. As a Vibrant Minds, we are into training also. As I mentioned initially, we offer full stack Java course with unlimited placement calls. If you are interested to join any course, then you can connect with us to our team. You can call, you can send WhatsApp message on previous number, or you can call on this number and you will get the all information. Best way is you can visit our office. Now let's understand how to apply. There is a apply link mentioned in this video. Just click below this video, you will get the description, and in video description there is a apply link, and also there is a deadline to apply. Please apply as soon as possible and before deadline. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, and best of luck for this recruitment rise. Do not forget to share this opportunity with your friends, relatives, and those who are looking to start their career in IT industry. And please note that these kind of drives we will be posting in our WhatsApp group. So please do not forget to join our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, guys, and best